What's up, YouTube? So my name is Stephen Brennan. This is going to be my first episode for my YouTube channel. And today we have a really special unboxing of Boosted Rev. For those of you who aren't familiar with Boosted boards, they make longboards and skateboards that are basically the Tesla of electric skateboards, and this is no exception. So let's dive right into it. So you got to pull these tabs off to open up the box, and they're on the front and the back as well. And then you have like these two little handles on top. Pull up. Whoo! Whoa, little box right there, but it's alright. A little protection. Oh, wow! Look at this thing. I've been waiting so long for this. And I really had to give a shout out to the Boosted support team that helped me through this whole process. They were incredible in making sure that this was sent out on time and packaged correctly. They're just amazing. So let's take a look at the box more in depth. So over here we have assembly instructions, and they gave us actually a little tool here to screw in the handlebar. So let's gently lift this up, and then take the little plastic protective pieces off that are on the box. Thing is so cool. Couldn't be more excited. So you get the feet before putting the handlebar in. You gotta put it on a 90-degree angle. Make sure the cable that's in there doesn't get squished. So put that in this way, and then twist. And then once you get it aligned, you're gonna wanna take your tool that they provided for you and start tightening. Perfect. Doesn't move. And now to put it up, you want to lock it like this, and then pull down on the tab. There we go. And that locks right in. It's good to go. Just right off the bat, you could tell this thing is built to last. Look at the size of the tire quality on this. It's just incredible how thick these tires are, so when you're riding on the road, nothing's gonna stop you. Absolutely nothing. And then up here you have your little throttle control. Then you also have like a little belt, which I think is pretty cool. And then that's it for the most part for the actual scooter itself. So we can take the scooter off. I'll put it right here. It's got a really convenient little kickstand. So now, the bottom of the box has your accessory and documentation. So take a look at this right now. You can put this off to the side of the floor over here. And push this over a little bit. And in your accessory box, you get your accessories. You got safety compliance form, you get a little documentation about your scooter, and then the best, these stickers. They're just amazing. And then when you take off the cover on the box, you got the charger for the scooter, which is the same exact charger as the Boosted boards, the Mini S, Stealth, and just that whole line of boards. And you got a couple of accessories in here. You have what looks to be like little pieces to fill up the tires, because these tires do have tubes in them to absorb a lot of the shocks that you'll be seeing on the road. And in these little boxes, you'll get spare ones. But these should last a long time before ever having to think about replacing them. So let's put all this stuff to the side, and we'll talk about the scooter itself. So the scooter itself, as you can see, is is very beefy, which is what you need in the streets of New York City. Today we're actually shooting this unboxing at Fort World Trade Center at SNY Studios. Thank you again for SNY for letting me use this conference room. This is our Wall Street conference room. It's our biggest one, and perfect lighting. Got the boosted website scrolling through, some stuff on the back, and yeah, it's incredible. Take this piece off. And for the scooter itself, so there's 3 ways of braking, and in New York City you need a way to brake confidently and fast. So I'll turn the scooter around so you guys can take a look. You have right over here, pretty much I'll call them like Brembo brakes for now, disc brakes. So which is your standard brake. You have your lever over here, and then you have your regenerative braking. So later on in the review I'll show you how this actually works. And then you have a stomp brake over here, which is genius in my opinion, because it also acts as a holder for when you want to fold down the scooter. So it'll lock into that little piece right here, and then when you're ready to use it again, just pop it up, put the clip into place, and it's that simple. And the scooter itself has a 22-mile range, which is incredible, and a top speed of 24 miles an hour. In my testings coming that I'll be doing, we'll actually see what the real life speed would be. So far, this scooter has blown my expectations away of like how the quality is. Even like the little fine details, like this is a boosted thought about it, is like running the cable through the actual tube of the scooter instead of like leaving it out here so it doesn't get caught on anything. And for some of you might think about how the motors work. The motors, there's 2 of them. It's dual-wheel drive, and it's built into the wheel itself. So it's all weatherproof. So you don't, when you're riding in the, if you do happen to get caught in the rain, this won't be an issue. And you also have a tail light over here, which is perfect for nighttime riding, and also a headlight. Couldn't be more excited about this. Also, you can see like over here you have these 2 bars, which is perfect for putting a U-lock through to lock up on bike racks. And in New York City, this is definitely going to come in handy when you want to lock this up outside, or just make sure no one walks away with it, because it really is a ride to share. So that's it for this part of the review.